we back with another video for the Price Family 2023.
And we back with another video 2023.
What challenge we doing today? Or is it even a challenge?
It's not a challenge.
It's not a challenge.
We just trying different type of spicy snacks, right?
Yeah.
Spicy snacks. Y'all want to label them?
We can't say chips because we got different type of stuff on there. So go ahead.
Flamin' hot Doritos. No. Flamin' hot nacho Doritos. I like these.
We have Cheetos, Flamin' hot Cheetos popcorn.
Flamin' hot tangy chili fuse.
What are these? Ranch Doritos.
Choritos. Flamin' hot pork skins. Flamin' hot popcorn.
Doritos Flamin' or whatever.
We never, well, I haven't had any of these.
Alright, y'all. So we're gonna get down to it to do it. Which one y'all want to start with?
The skins? Alright.
So the chicharrones, don't start with those. What are those, Cheetos? Are they Cheetos or no?
They're pork skins.
Pork skins, so they...
That's what you said. God, that's a big one.
Oh God, show that.
Jesus Christ.
Can't take that Cheetos.
It just smell like a skin, a regular skin.
This one got it.
I don't know, it got a lot of flavor, right?
But it's actually good.
Oh,
There's a lot of chili.
It's like the hot chips.
Like hot Cheetos?
That's all it tastes like. Ooh. Some of the powder went straight down my throat, but it's not hot.
Would you buy this?
No, I'm not eating a whole bag of that. And maybe if it was like in a bag like this.
It's not hard.
But it's a chicharron, ain't those hard ones?
They make you go. They're not super spicy, but they're spicy enough.
Maybe.
Them was crackling. What do you guys rate these?
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10?
Don't we gotta eat all of them?
No, we don't have to eat all of them. A 7? No, how you like them?
Oh, those are pretty good.
You don't ever fall in line.
Those are 4. That's a 4.
4?
Because I don't really eat none of this hot stuff anyway.
I say a 5 out of 10 because it was salty at the end. Okay, next, let's try.
I said 5 seconds.
That was 5 seconds.
No, I just went. Next one.
Okay, the next one we're gonna try is Flamin' hot popcorn. No, those are peps. This is popcorn.
Yeah, these are, oh, them probably old.
Look.
Let's see
Here's
how
actually
come I
popcorn.
turn. And then it'll be how dark I turn is gonna be from all the red.
And the
Yeah,
hotter
that's
than this is good. They look like cheese popcorn. That's what they look like.
It's good.
They taste like they got the cheese on them.
They do. It's
That's
bad.
nasty.
These are good. I could eat these.
I would
These not
buy
hot.
I'll buy a big bag of these.
These ain't hot at all.
I said 8 out of 10 for these.
Those are 8.
2, 8. You
I
said
said
10, 8, and you said 10, 10.
8. Hey, what's that? So this is the can?
Mm-hmm.
They had a can, you know, like your popcorn can, they had a can of this. Flavors, it was this, and I think it was the regular Cheetos.
You missing out?
Yeah, I'm good.
They're not spicy, they're just flavorful.
Yep. Alright, next one.
Let's try this.
I know what them taste like. I eat them. Why that back look flat?
Because the air got outside of it, probably. That one's really good. Ooh, no, look at this one. You alright? You over the couple?
I eat a whole bag of those. The big bag.
They're good, but they're not better than
I don't know what these taste like. These ain't nothing.
Then the ranch ones.
Yeah, that's a 2.
That's a Dorito.
It's a...
You said these your favorite.
It's a 7. For me, it's a 2 because it ain't hot.
Okay, I know what this is. And they're good.
Yeah, we get those. Oh, what you doing?
They're a little bit hot. Can I see one?
No, this is mine.
That's
I
not
need a
good.
mouthwash.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna do the next one. 5 chips left.
Your
Which
turn.
one?
Your turn.
I'm taking the Packy Honey Ghost Pepper.
There you go. They not hot.
Is it Pocky or Packy?
Pocky.
They smell like actual like jalapenos. Ghost pepper, is that a jalapeno?
Yeah.
That's all.
It's like a, it's like a one of those little red, little tiny little.
It smells
This
like,
one's Caesar sauce.
smells like chili.
They
It
hot.
tastes like Michaela. Ooh,
It's like barbecue.
that's what the smell is.
I didn't get a big.
Why does it say?
It says
It says
freaking hot.
freaking hot. It says freaking hot.
It's like seasoning.
I think it's just a flavor. Oh, I feel it coming through my nose, but I think because we ate all that, I don't even really
It's
taste
hot.
it. I think, yeah, it's like too much pepper or something.
Oh, they put chili powder on it.
Ah, these are the 3.
Jesus
I
Christ.
get it a one.
They don't couldn't eat that bag right
Oh
there.
my god, they are hot though.
I
You eat more than one?
nasty.
Let me see.
You know.
She talking about she want to challenge me to eat more than one. How much money?
Ain't nobody.
How much money y'all get?
Didn't say nothing about. Did you all that when you eat the whole bag?
I think these are
I come and serve.
Be right back.
I know.
Next one.
Okay.
4 chips left.
It's my turn.
Yeah, I think them ghost pepper got my tongue. I don't know which one got my tongue.
It's like those good.
These are really good. They have enough. Some.
Give that one. I forgot to keep forgetting this from the bag and then
Oh, yummy.
I want a really red one. What?
Oh, it's
It
hot.
probably just tastes like lemon, huh? Is it really? I don't even eat tacos. These were good back.
That's why y'all like them because they taste like cookies.
I don't want that. I think my tongue just hot from whatever over here. Them just taste like lemon.
But good.
Alright, we got 3 chips left.
These look good.
Try those then.
We didn't rate
Doritos.
those.
Nasty.
What, these ones?
Nasty.
What do you rate them? A 10? A 6? 10?
0.
Maybe a 5.
Tastes like lemon.
8. They're
Okay, what you
good.
got, my Leah? You got the
These are
rancheritos.
rancheritos.
Does it say L?
Ask Michaela, she goes down this one.
What does that say?
This one looks like cool rancherito. They look like these.
They stink. What? They smell like chili.
Yeah, they don't have no
What does it
flavor.
taste like? Chips?
Or we just eat too much stuff and we can't taste it.
Smell it, get back! Smell it, get back!
I like a little tang to them. The tangy. You gonna taste it?
Okay, taste.
I can't taste them.
It tastes dirty.
Well, why are you eating them if they taste dirty?
I'm gonna get the what the real
So you
thing
want to eat some dirty stuff?
is.
You like them?
They're like Fritos.
Why you keep talking about them and still eating them?
With no flavor.
I rate these
My
a
tongue is hot.
1. Michaela rated them a 10 because she keep eating them.
They're like Fritos.
You
I
like
wouldn't
them?
buy those.
7,
Ew.
0, 1, and you said what? 1.
2 chips left. Alright, y'all, we got 2 chips left.
They're
See
not
what we doing.
chips. These are
Whatever.
chips.
I bet you these don't even taste good.
Smell like peach.
Jesus Christ.
Did you even say what the name was? Fuck popcorn. Oh,
They're not popcorn.
Hey, these niggas stink.
Popcorn.
These stink.
It's like pirate booties.
Is that something real?
Yeah, pie booty.
Oh, what is that?
That's popcorn. It's cheese popcorn.
These are like the first ones, huh?
Jesus. It tastes like the way they smell.
I don't know.
They taste like the way they smell.
They were babies.
That's what they look like.
Hold on. So we ain't eating. What we doing?
I guess to take care.
Okay. So what we gonna do? I know we ain't eating that.
I actually like you.
Ugh.
Why would y'all back on
No,
this?
it doesn't popcorn. It tastes like seaweed.
Millie,
They
stop.
taste the way they smell.
Who picture is that?
Mine, Millie.
He's looking like, what are you talking about? What's a picture? What's a picture? Michaela, show me your picture.
Show them your picture.
Okay.
Do that. Look.
You don't actually put the. Stop before you paper cut me in the eye.
I like these. These taste
Could
like.
you stop eating those stink?
Oh, you
I
talking about
said
this?
you use a coupon.
These are 0.
0.
I can't even stop eating them. They're addictive.
Why we get this big old bag
Because
anyway?
I'm
You must go be sleeping downstairs.
Eat those stacky things.
Yeah, nobody sleeping with
Wow.
you.
Final one. These Cheetos, Flamin' Hot, Tangy Chili.
Tangy chili fusion. Fusion. They made the eye look like a chip. You wanna open it?
Go ahead.
All
Like
at the
that
same
hot.
time. We have to
Believe
smell it
You over there struggling.
She just did it to my leg because she already got her hair all like a poofy.
They smell like food. What kind of food today?
Oh,
Oh man,
these-
they nasty. I gotta.
oh yeah, I don't know why you say these for last.
Should have said these for
Stop
last.
it.
They
Eat
taste
those.
like they do taste like they do taste like Chinese food though. It tastes like Chinese food.
We got a heck of big bag too.
Tastes like sweet and sour sauce. It tastes like sweet and sour sauce.
It's, I don't like it because it's
It
sweet.
smells too sweet. Them are two.
Girl.
I thought these were gonna be so good. They look so good.
If these was the last food on the earth, I'm just gonna die. Eat.
You lied.
I'm not eating those.
Yes, you
If
would.
that's the last food on the earth, I'm just dying.
Get her off the table.
This video.
She can't be a part of the family.
Here, give her one of these.
Oh, let's let Millie smell it. Here, Millie.
You gonna smell it.
Mommy, look.
We're not letting her eat it. We just let her smell it. No,
gonna
she
smell
put her
that?
whiskers over. Okay, get her off the table. That's nasty. Get her away from the table. Not that.
Alright, that was our hot chip. It wasn't even a challenge, it was just eating hot chips, right? We ate the honey ghost pepper, tangy chill infusion, the rancheritos, chicharrones, the flaming hot popcorn, the flaming hot nacho chips, the puffs or whatever, and the flaming hot flamas, which is, what are those? Takis. All nasty, except for these. All nasty. The pork skins was pretty good though. Which ones do you like the most?
None.
Which one you like the most?
These are eating them.
Which one you like the most? And mine is these right here.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit that notification bell. And what else?
And join the 32 gang. No. Alright. Thank you for joining our little eating thing, mukbang. Go ahead, like,
Why you
subscribe.
always
Come on,
can't
you
even
gotta
see
say it
you.
again. Say it again. I'm not.
Don't forget to
Get off
like,
my leg.
subscribe, comment, turn the notification bell on, and what else?
Huh?
My
Like,
voice is
subscribe,
already
comment,
gone.
join the notifications.
That don't
and,
even make sense.
Join the Instagram. See our Instagram on the bottom and
On the
everything. You got
bottom.
something to say, Michaela? No? Okay, she was drinking water the whole time, so that's why nothing was hot to her.
There's no rules. We just was trying new snacks.
Oh, I thought this was a challenge. Y'all said it wasn't. So.
It's not a challenge. What is it a challenge?
All right, we out.
We out.